The Legal Zone is sponsored by Smith Injury Law and 300hurt.com.
In the Legal Zone, most people do strive to be safe drivers. Everybody wants to avoid accidents, but there's a mistake a lot of people are making before they even get behind the wheel, and that's not purchasing enough insurance. Attorney Richard Smith here to discuss the term. Full coverage makes somebody think that they're fully covered, but that's not the case?
No. All full coverage usually means is you have collision insurance, and that doesn't take care of you if you're injured. It's only about your vehicle damage. What you need is underinsured coverage and liability insurance. You need as much as you can afford because the person that may hit you is not going to have much coverage.
Yeah, and you say it's also important for people to really take the time to understand insurance coverages and the stacking of insurance policies. What do we need to consider there?
That's why if you're in a serious accident, you need to talk to an attorney because you may think you're being offered the policy limits from the defendant, but you might not understand how you can stack insurance coverages. So it's very important to understand that.
And all of this is covered in the book you authored, 10 Critical Mistakes to Avoid If You're Injured in a Car Wreck. Really easy for people to read. Tell us about your mission in writing that book.
I just see the same mistakes made over and over again, and people end up losing money and losing their case because they don't understand the basics, and that's why the book was written for everybody. It's not a book that's written for scholars. It's not something I take to the law conventions. It's a basic book to everybody understand the basic law.
Yeah. Anything else real quick you want people to know about the way you practice and why it's great to work with you?
If you're involved in an accident, you need somebody who's local because we can take care of you. We know the doctors in the area. We know the jury's in the area if it comes to that. So just call somebody like us. We do a lot of personal injury cases. I have been doing it since 1987 in the upstate.
Excellent. Well, people can contact you by calling 300HURT or visiting 300hurt.com.